Okay, today we're making blueberry freezer jam. Very easy made. You follow the directions on your Surgel freezer box. Insert in the box. We've got our whole blueberries. I found the easiest way to prepare them is to put them in my food processor. Give them a fine chop. You want some good pieces of blueberry in your jam. If you want it finer, then do it to your own taste. I like mine with a little bulk. Okay. When I get all my blueberries chopped, then we'll go to the next step. This is my chopped blueberries. I'm going to measure out 3 1/2 cups. I think we must have had that figured out because I've got exactly 3 1/2 cups that I chopped. Put it in my big bowl. Then I've got 5 1/4 cups of granulated sugar. I'm going to mix this good. It has to set for 10 minutes. You stir every 3 or 4 minutes just to keep the sugar mixed up. Takes a lot of sugar to make jam and jelly. You can use sugar-free if you're diabetic. You can use sugar-free. It doesn't gel quite as good, but there is a sugar-free Surgel on the market. The basic recipe will be in the description on the video. You have 3/4 cups of cold water, 1 package of regular Surgel, turn your heat on. We're going to bring it to a boil and boil for 1 minute. You stir constantly. Okay, we're starting to boil now, and I'll boil for 1 minute. Our 1 minute is up. We'll pour this into our fruit. And we're going to stir this for 3 minutes. It's a lot of stirring goes on in this. See, it's getting thicker. Okay, our 3 minutes is up now. We're through with the process. We're going to put it into our jars. And we're just filling it up to the neck to give it room. When it freezes, it's going to expand, so don't fill your jars all the way full. There's enough left for a biscuit. Now you want to wipe the tops of the jars to get any excess off. Remember, this is freezer jam. It does not have to be heat sealed or anything. It's going into the freezer. We let it set for 24 hours to set. And then you put it in the freezer, and it's good for up to 1 year, 2 years. And there, my friend, is your freezer blueberry jam. And thanks for all of our subscribers. We're growing every day. Thanks for watching our videos. We enjoy doing them. Any questions or comments, just comment on the page. We'll get back with you.